Hey guys, welcome to another video. So we've got a little Born Pretty PR haul to be unboxing today. A few little new goodies, what's appeared on their website recently. I do just want to quickly apologise that I haven't put any videos out recently. I have been so poorly since Christmas. My chest, you can probably hear my breathing is so bad. My chest has been really bad, guys, so I just want to apologise for the lack of content just lately. But I feel like I'm now on the mend and I'm getting better. So hopefully I shall get caught up and get way more videos out for you. So first up, we've got this really pretty mould. Look at that. Some gorgeous bows on that. You've also got the corset as well. The corset string, beautiful. I really like it. So it's a silicone mould. I will show you how to use that later on in the video. We've got this gel polish. So this one is pearly, I can't actually read that. This one comes sealed like this. Just remove that like that. So you get 10ml in these bottles. You've got the colour name and number on the lid. And then we have got these two. So I think this, yeah, that one's different. Yeah, that's different. So we'll have a look at that one in a minute. So these two are Born Pretty's brand new Builder Gels, guys. Builder Gel in bottles. Really cool. Look at that holographic box. They're so pretty, them boxes, aren't they? I like them. They're so sparkly. So this is the first one. This is 08. And like I say, it is a builder gel, builder in a bottle. And it is an 8-in-1 builder gel. Look at that, big, huge 15ml bottles. You've got your ingredients on the back there. If you want to have a quick look through those, just pause the video. They cure in 60 seconds in the lamp. Obviously that depends on the strength of your lamp, but they cured in my lamp within 60 seconds. They've got a really nice brush on them. They're a really nice consistency. Not too thick, but not too runny. Yeah, I like these. They feel really nice. Love that colour as well. We are going to give them a swatch later on in the video, so we'll have a look at what the colour's like, see how opaque they are. And then we've got this one. Again, 8-in-1 builder gel. This one is colour 11. It's like a nudie sort of colour. I love these big 15ml bowls as well. Same again, same consistency. Really nice consistency. So yeah, we will have a look at the colours later on. And now we're on to the last gel, which is a cat eye, if I'm not mistaken. I think this one is a red cat eye. So inside this box, you also get a little magnet as well, which is really nice. A really nice touch, isn't it? So yeah, I'm right. This is a... Oh, look at the size of this bottle. Again, a big, huge 15ml bottle. Look, I've not got any of this shape. So this one's called Hot Ruby. This also cures in 60 seconds. Again, you've got the ingredients on the back there. If you want to quickly pause the video, you can do. So have a quick look at those. And then also inside the box, yeah, like I was saying, you get the magnet. I think that's a really nice touch, that is. And then you also get this little leaflet as well. So this is the instructions in all different languages, which I think is also a really nice touch as well. Got a few different languages on there, haven't we? It's very helpful. I like it. So as you can see, it's not just the instructions, it also gives you a little bit about the brand, their address, warnings and ingredients. So that is their gel nail polish multi-language instructions. I think that is really helpful. So, shall we get them all swatched, have a little look at them? I think we're going to swatch the cat eye first, then we'll do the pearly one and then the builder gels. So, This is Hot Ruby. Guys, look at that colour. It's like a metallic red. Oh my days. Just as a full cover colour without the cat eye effect. It is stunning. Look at that. I do like metallic gels. It's so pretty. It's so shiny, isn't it? It's like a red chrome. It's beautiful. And look how pigmented it is over a clear swatch stick. So that's what it looks like as a full cover colour. Now we've pulled the magnet out and we're going to bring that cat eye effect out. To bring the cat eye effect out, I'll just give it a little wiggle up the sides. Just a little wiggle up and down like that. Up and down either side. And that brings that cat eye effect out. Look at that. It just makes it even more vibrant. Stunning. I cannot believe how pigmented that is. A lot of the like metallic-y cat eyes like this, what I've got, they are more like glass gels, where this is full-on opaque. So we're now pulled my paper clip out and we're going to do the viral cat eye heart trend. Oh, look at that, guys. Look how quick those particles moved. I wasn't really happy with that heart though, to be honest. And what I do like about these cat eyes is if you're not happy with the cat eye effect, you just go over with the brush out the bottle again. You haven't got to have no extra product on your brush, and that will reset that cat eye. So I'm just going in with my magnet again, and then bring that cat eye effect out, and then hold over the paper clip. I just want to make that heart more straighter. It was a little bit lopsided, the other one. There we go, that's better. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. On to the next. So this is pearl white. Gorgeous, gorgeous colour this is. Look at it. Very pretty. Again, nice and opaque. It is slightly milky, as you can see, but remember that is over a clear swatch stick as well, guys. I think you would get away with one coat on a natural coloured nail. Give that a cure for 60 seconds. So now we're on to the builder gels, which I am so excited for. So I'm going to leave a note on the screen now showing you the different uses you can use this 8-in-1 builder gel for. And as you can see, it is such a versatile product. So we're going to swatch my favourite one first, which is 08. Which is the more pinky coloured one. So to start with, we will have a look at what it looks like just with one thin coat like that. So it's like a really nice, pretty milky pink. And now we're going to build that up. I'm not going to do a super thick layer. Again, still a nice thin layer, but still thick enough to be able to build a nail out of. So I like to just lay a bead down and then swipe from side to side, making sure you're getting right up them side walls, just like that. Guys, look at that colour. That is my kind of builder gel colour. As you can see, it is fully opaque after one thin coat. Give that a cure for 60 seconds. And now we're going to swatch 011, which is the nudie sort of colour. So I like to lay a slip layer down first. Nice thin slip layer, and then add a bead. I'm just going to work that bead up the nail this time instead of working it down. Doesn't really matter which way you do it on a swatch stick. Just swiping it from side to side and making sure you get right up those side walls. Flip it round. If you've got any patches, just fill those patches in, making sure it is fully opaque. And just make sure it's level all the way through that nail. Just like that. Oh, again, guys, a really, really pretty nude colour, isn't it? Fully opaque as well, after a very thin coat. I really like these, you know. Cure that for 60 seconds. So that is all 4 swatches together, guys. I really, really like them. I like all 4 of them, especially that pink builder gel. I really like that pearl white as well, actually. That pink builder gel is definitely my favourite though. I forgot to say as well, guys, all of the things that I'm showing you today are available on Born Pretty's website. I will make sure that I leave the links to everything in the description box below. So that's the swatches. Lastly, we're now going to take a look at this mould and see how it works. Really like that bottom one, and I really like that corset string as well. gorgeous. Really, really unusual. So I'm going to show you a few different products you can use with these silicone molds. We're going to start off by using the red cat eye gel polish. So I've just added a little bit to my glove, and I'm going to pull out a little detailer brush, and we're just going to add that with my detailer brush into that bottom bow on the right hand side. Now, I feel using a detailer brush is going to be the easiest option for these because the detail on these images are so fine and intricate. So yeah, I'm just adding that cat eye into the mould, making sure I'm getting into all the corners, especially them ribbons going down. They're so intricate. So we've done that one, but I felt like it needed more product in there, especially in the bow area. So what I'm adding to it now is the builder gel. I mean, I could have kept going in with the cat eye, but I just think the builder gel is going to fill it up so much quicker because it's a much thicker product. So I didn't cure that cat eye. I'm just going straight in over the top of it with the builder gel. So that's filled that one up. I'm now going in with the pearl white gel polish, and we're going to fill the corset design up now with that. Now this was very, very intricate. That string is so fine, but you'll see as well at the end of the string is tiny little like round holes that the string goes through. They're so small, guys. But I was really, really happy with how these came out. So wait until they're cured and you see me pop them out. You're going to be well impressed. So I'm just wiping away any excess that I went over the lines with just with some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free pad. This one I thought is a little bit chunkier. So I'm just going to go in with the brush out of the bottle, adding that to that bow, and then I did go in again with my lint-free pad, wiping away any excess like that. So now we're going to try this non-stick hand gel. This is the Luminous White from Born Pretty. There was no particular reason why I pulled this one out. It was just the closest one to me at the time. Roll it up into a ball. And then pop that in that top right-hand bow. Like that, and then I've pulled out my silicone tool and I'm just working that into that mould. Now I did find dipping my brush in a little bit of water helped, and it just stops that non-stick hand gel from sticking to my silicone tool. And then I'm going to give that a cure for 60 seconds. So they are now all fully cured. So I've pulled out my tweezers and I just want to kind of bend the mould, and that pops them out a little bit. You want to be really, really careful when pulling these out because, like I say, they're so delicate. Like, can you see the ribbon at the bottom of them? They're so, so delicate. Look at that though, guys. Look at the detail on it. Pretty. So this is the one that we did with the pearl white gel polish. Again, really pretty, full of detail. This one is the one that we did with the non-stick hand gel. Not quite as much detail on that one, but it still picked up all the detail that it needed to. And then lastly, the one that I was so excited to see the most. Look at that corset string. Oh, so, so pretty. As you can see, there's some like excess bits around the edging. You can just pull them away with your tweezers. They come off really, really easy because they're just fine little bits of gel polish. So what do you think, guys? It is a really, really cool mould, isn't it? And it was really, really easy to use as well. And then that is all the swatches from today as well, guys. Definitely can't wait to build a set of nails using those 8-in-1 builder gels. Especially that 08, that pink one. That's my favourite one out of the two. It's really, really pretty pink, isn't it? So I think probably what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a nail art design using the pink, that pearly white, and then the red cat eye. So I think I might do that this week. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel and you want to see me doing that set of nails, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click that notification button and click all. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And that is the end of this video, guys. I have got a couple of discount codes for you guys to use. I'll make sure that I pin them in the comments along with the link to the Born Pretty website. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'll also leave the links to everything that I've showed you today in my description box below. So if there is anything that you're interested in, all you got to do is click that link. It will take you straight to that product. Super duper easy. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.